I am Balaji P. My register number was 7111 2010 6011, Department ECEA, subject BEIE. I am doing a case study on power failure indicator. Power failure indicator circuit. The fuse cum power failure indicator comprises an LED, light dependent resistor, inverter circuit, and two timer circuits built around IC NE555. LDR1 and reset VRI from a voltage divider at the input of cascade amplifier comprising two BC548 transistor Ti and T2. He base a transistor T1 is connected to a junction of LDR1 and present through resistor R2. The base of a transistor T2 is connected to the controller of Ti. The trigger pin of timer ICNA555 IC2, which is configured as a monostable, is connected to the collector of T2. The output transistor T1 is inverted by transistor T2. The inverter output of T2 trigger the monostable circuit. This is the fuse cum power failure indicator circuit. LED1 gets power supply from AC mains through transformer 11. The secondary output of the transformer is rectified and fed to regulator IC7806 IC1. The 6 volt regulator output drives LED1 as LDR1. Enclosed in a cabinet is kept illuminated by the light from LED1. The output of a transistor T2 is normally high. Circuit operation. The transformer has a fuse on the input side of primary winding. When power supply goes off due to power cut or fuse blown off, no light falls on LDR1 and the output of transistor T2 goes low. This high to low transition trigger the monostable IC2 and its output pin 3 goes to high for about 7 seconds. The output of the monostable is connected to reset pin 4 of IC3, which is configured in a stable mode. The output of a stable circuit is connected to a loudspeaker. IC3 along with the loudspeaker forms an alarm circuit. Triggering of monostable activates the alarm circuit, indicates the power failure. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.